Hey Visionaire! Ever wanted to turn your long videos into engaging viral-ready shorts without spending hours editing? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Sendshort.ai, an AI-powered tool that transforms your content into captivating short videos in just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just looking to repurpose your videos, this tool has got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sendshort.ai is an AI-driven platform designed to help you create short-form videos for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. It offers a suite of features including automatic captioning, B-roll integration, faceless video generation, and more, all aimed at making your content creation process faster and more efficient. Step 2. To get started, head over to Sendshort.ai, and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've done that, check your inbox for a verification email and click on the link to activate your account. Step 3. After verifying your email, return to the Sendshort.ai homepage and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard where you can start creating your videos. Step 4. Once logged in, click on the Create Video button. Here, you can upload your long-form video by either dragging and dropping the file or selecting it from your device. Sendshort.ai supports various formats, so you can upload videos in MP4, MOV, and other common formats. Step 5. After uploading your video, Sendshort.ai's AI will automatically analyze it and suggest potential clips that are ideal for short-form content. You can preview these clips and select the ones you want to convert into shorts. This feature saves you time by identifying the most engaging segments of your video. Step 6. Once you've selected your clips, you can enhance them using Sendshort.ai's editing tools. Add captions with over 10 customizable styles, integrate B-roll footage, apply transitions, and adjust the video's aspect ratio to fit the platform's requirements. The AI also offers auto-zooming and auto-cropping features to ensure your videos look professional. Step 7. To make your shorts more engaging, you can add background music or voiceovers. Sendshort.ai provides a library of royalty-free music tracks, or you can upload your own. For voiceovers, you can record directly within the platform or upload pre-recorded audio files. Step 8. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to share it with your audience. Sendshort.ai allows you to schedule your shorts for posting on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Simply select the platform, set the date and time, and let Sendshort.ai handle the rest. Step 9. After your video is published, you can monitor its performance through Sendshort.ai's analytics dashboard. Here, you'll find metrics such as views, engagement rates, and audience demographics, helping you understand how your content is performing and where to make improvements. And that's it! You've just learned how to create viral shorts using Sendshort.ai. With its powerful AI tools and user-friendly interface, you can streamline your content creation process and reach a wider audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating.